Hi everyone, my name is Ken. Welcome to this house. Today we are touring a converted firehouse that was built in 1919. This house has 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and over 5,400 square feet. Before we go inside, I want to take a moment to give a huge shout out to Ted White for once again allowing us to film inside of one of his listed properties. You can find more information on this in the description below. As we make our way to the entrance of this house, I'll tell you guys a little bit about the history of it. So this was Firehouse number 32 in St. Louis. Engine house number 32 was built after the city passed an ordinance in 1892 to protect St. Louis's leading wholesale center along what is today's Washington Avenue Historic District. At the time, this corridor was one of St. Louis's leading economic centers, so protecting it from fires was crucial to protecting the growing economy of the region. In these historical photos, we can see the original horse-drawn steam-powered pumper that would have served the area from the original firehouse, which was located next door. In 1919, the firehouse was expanded with an addition, which is the house we're about to see. In these old blueprints, we can see how the firehouse addition was originally set up, with bunk beds and a locker room and a toilet room on the second floor. Okay, we've just walked in the front door, and this is actually on the side of the building. So let's explore this. It's really spacious down here, and the first floor is set up more like an art gallery. So we'll show you some of the pictures before all of the furniture was moved out. We can really see how big and open and beautiful it is. And it even has the original tin ceilings up here. And if we look hard enough, we can see some cutouts where it's been replaced. And that's where the old fire poles were. Walking this way, we come through this cutout. And this will actually take us to the garage. And that's the big red fire door that you saw out front. So let's come back to this cutout into this art gallery space. And we're going to explore the library next. So this space could be used as a commercial or business area. So that's kind of up to your imagination. Of course, they have it set up as an art gallery. Over here is the library. Something really amazing about the space are these track lights. And then above that is exposed HVAC, pipes and wires, and then the tin ceiling. So it's just all these different industrial layers kind of stacked together. So it adds a lot of visual and architectural interest to the space. All right, are you guys ready to go see the upstairs? So upstairs is where the actual living quarters are in this house. So this is how we get there. Arriving at the top of the stairs, we come through this glass door. And there's also a glass window off to the side over here. And there are glass walls on either side of this entryway, and there's actually a skylight cut out at the top, so that allows a lot of light to filter in while still giving you some privacy from downstairs. So let's go into the main house over here. So walking down this hallway, we now come to what would have been the dining area, and we can see there are 15-foot ceilings, track lighting, this beautiful voidal corner fireplace over here, and this is one of those features that was added later on. And this brings us into the living room. So out of this window, we get beautiful views of downtown St. Louis, and this is really right in the heart of the downtown area. So to have a house of this size in this location is completely unheard of, unless you're the Campbell house, but you know, that's not really a private residence. Also in this living room, super cool to point out, we have this beautiful, beautiful skylight, and it is massive. And then there are track lights that surround it as well. So as we go through this house, make sure to really pay attention to the floor, because we can see spots where the fire poles used to be and where they were cut out. So that's just a really interesting thing. So right off of the dining and open living room is this kitchen. It has double height cabinets, stainless steel appliances. There's plenty of room to entertain here, so you can imagine that this house is like perfect for parties or for entertaining all of your guests. There's another massive skylight that's directly above the island here in the kitchen. So let's just take a moment to look at that. Come on through here, and as we go through this passageway, there's a bathroom off to one side and the first bedroom over here. So come on into the first bedroom, and this is a pretty spacious area. It's got one window off to the side, once again, track lights. It has double closets over here. And directly across from this bedroom is the bathroom that I mentioned. So let's come on in here. So this bathroom is like super retro. It has these retro cabinets, retro countertop, the sink, toilet, shower, and let's actually peek inside of here because it's like stepping back in time. It's really awesome. Walking out of the bathroom, we're now going to turn the corner and walk through the kitchen here, and this is going to take us to the next bedroom. So the next bedroom is just right here through this hallway. So we come in here, there is a bathroom off to this side, and the master bedroom is over here. And this room is a bit more spacious. It has 2 windows, it has track lighting, and then over here is an amazing closet. It has floor-to-ceiling built-ins and a mirror at the very end. So let's just take a peek inside of here. And like, when I say this is big, it's like really deep. It just like keeps going. So let's take a look around here for a second. Coming out of the master closet, we're now going to come over here to the master bathroom. So this has storage, and come on in here. It has another one of these super retro showers, so let's take a peek inside of here. And over here on this side, we have this giant mirror with can lights above it, a double vanity, once again, retro cabinets and countertops, beautiful tile floor, and then there's a commode area over here. Walking out of the bathroom, we're now going to get to a really awesome spot in this house. So here is like a work area, and we'll show you the old photos so that you can see how this was set up. It's kind of like a library. So there's also this amazing spiral staircase, and this leads to a rooftop terrace. Let's head up there. All right, let's go on up. Okay, walking out onto the rooftop terrace, we come to these panoramic views of the city, and we can actually see the Ferris wheel over here. We can see the new soccer stadium being built off to the distance. And if we peek over here, we can actually see the entire downtown skyline, including a little bit of the arch that's popping up over everything. So let's just take a moment to really look at all of these panoramic views, because there's no other house in downtown St. Louis that offers this. This is completely unique to this property. Thank you all for watching. I hope that you really enjoyed this old firehouse. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you next time on This House.